Welcome back to my channel. I am Algebra solution. Today we will see a cube minus a square is equal to 48. A is equal to question mark. We have to find the value of this a by solving this algebraic identity. Solution: a cube minus a square equal to 48. Now a cube minus a square minus 48 equal to 0. Now we write a cube minus a square minus in bracket 64 minus 16 equal to 0. Now here we can write a cube minus a square minus 64 plus 16 equal to 0. Now a cube minus a square minus here we write here minus sign, like that we will keep it in bracket 64 is a 4 cube minus 16 is a 4 square equal to 0. Now a cube minus a square minus 44 cube minus here becomes 4 square equal to 0. So we write this a cube minus, here we write a cube with 4 cube minus a square plus 4 square equal to 0. Now we write in bracket a cube minus 4 cube, in bracket we write minus a square minus 4 square equal to 0. Now here we will apply. Now here we use identity, algebraic identity, that is a cube minus b cube. Expansion of this identity is a minus b non bracket second bracket a square plus ab plus b square. For this we use identity a square minus b square equal to a minus b a plus b. Now here we apply this identity and here we apply this algebraic identity. Now we will here a and b, so we write a minus 4 in one bracket, second bracket we write a square plus 4 into a plus 4 square minus a square minus b square, that is apply here this identity a minus 4 in another bracket a plus 4 equal to 0. Now a minus 4 a square minus 4a square plus 4a plus 4 square is 16 minus a minus 4 into another bracket a plus 4 equal to 0. Now take a minus 4 common. We will take here a minus 4 common. So what we get here, a minus 4 we take common. So in another bracket here remain a square plus 4a plus 16 minus this a plus 4, a plus 4 equal to 0. Now a minus 4, here a square will remain as it is, 4a, a square plus 4a plus 16 minus a, this plus becomes minus, minus 4 equal to 0. Now next, here a minus 4 in bracket a square plus 4a minus 1a, that is here we get 3a. Here we get 3a plus 16 minus 4 remains 12 equal to 0. Now 4a minus 1a, 3a, 16 minus 4, 12. Now here a minus 4 equal to 0 and a square plus 3a plus 12 equal to 0. Now here a equal to 4. Here we write quadratic equation a equal to 1, b equal to 3 and c equal to 12. So we use here a equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now here put the values. Here put the values. A equal to value of b is 3 minus 3 plus minus under root b square is, that is 3 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 12. So 2 into a is 1. Hence here we write a equal to minus 3 plus minus under root 3 square is 9 minus 12 4s are 48 divided by 2. Now we can write this a equal to minus 3 plus minus under root 39 minus 39 divided by 2. Now we can write a equal to minus 3 plus minus under root 39 into minus 1 divided by 2. Here a equal to minus 3 plus minus, separate the numerator, under root 39 multiply under root minus 1 divided by 2. Now we get this a equal to minus 3 plus minus under root 39 I. Here under root minus 1 equal to minus I. Here I, value of I is equal to under root minus 1 divided by 2. So this is the value. Now we write the value of a is a1 equal to this value, we write a is equal to this one value, we write a1 is equal to, we write 4. Value of a2 is, here we one value we write, that is minus 3 plus under root 39 into I divided by 2. Then third value of A, we write A3 equal to minus 3 minus under root 39 into I divided by 2. Now these are the three values of A. These are the three values of A. This is the real value, and these are the both complex value of A. Complex value of A. Complex value of A. Now we will verify this. Verification. A cube minus A square equal to 48. 4 cube minus 4 square is equal to 48. Now here 64 minus 16 equal to 48. Now here 48 equal to 48. Now LHS is equal to RHS. Verification is done. So here this is the real value of A. Let's verify this. If you are new on the channel, so subscribe the channel, share with your friends, subscribe channel to get the next video. Thank you for watching the whole video.